Pitstop DG Line 8000 touchscreen is the entry-level creasing machine, ideal for traditional medium-sized digital printers and graphic design companies. It has 50 by 70 cm format with an optional extension of the suction surface, achieving a length of 85 or 100 centimeters. It features a non-stop low-pile feeder equipped with non-scratch rubber-coated suction drum. We set creasing with our practical and heavy-duty digital creasing tool on coated 220 gram per square meter paper with full ink coverage. We set the processing data on the panel quickly and easily. We are performing a tool change to switch from digital creasing to standard perforation. We put the tool we have just removed away in the designated container and take out the heavy-duty standard perforation tool. Very simply, we fit it into place, set the relative tool on the panel, enter the number of processes and relative measurements, and launch processing. Thanks to the special brass counterblade, which can be turned inside the tool up to 4 times or changed when worn, perforation is neat and clean. We take out the perforation tool and mount the standard creasing kit, which is equipped with a counterblade with 2 channels for additional crease flexibility. The 2 channels, as well as the sturdiness of the tool, make it possible to perform creasing at maximum speed, even with medium-high paper weight, maximum 400 grams per square meter. We set the new process from the relative icon and started at the maximum speed with a paper density of 400 grams per square meter. Even at the maximum speed of 8,000 sheets per hour, processing precision and perfection are ensured. Technical features.